Your baseball caps will look like new without needing to wash them in the dishwasher. Sweat stains and other dirt will disappear without distorting the brim. Here's how. First, mix 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid with 100 milliliters of vinegar in a jug and stir well. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the caps, focusing on the stained areas, and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, use an old toothbrush to gently scrub the caps. For any yellow sweat stains, apply a tablespoon of baking soda. Wait 5 minutes, and then scrub again. Prepare a bowl of hot water and soak the caps for a few minutes. Replace the water with clean water and add a tablespoon of laundry detergent. Let the caps sit for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with fresh water. Your caps will be clean, fresh, and ready to wear, with the brim intact. Some people believe caps can be safely washed on the top rack of a dishwasher. However, the lack of control over water temperature and heat can damage older caps with cardboard brims, unlike those with plastic ones. Dishwasher detergents often contain stronger chemicals that can harm caps. If you choose this method, place the cap on an inverted bowl to maintain its shape. Throw a trash bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised at what it can do. A simple plastic bag will make your clothes come out cleaner. How is that possible? Clothes collect dust, lint, and hair, which often settle around the rubber seal of the washer. These particles remain in the drum and mix with clothes in the next wash. But a simple plastic bag can solve this problem. Place a plain, unprinted plastic bag in the washing machine along with your clothes or towels. Add detergent, a laundry pod, and fabric softener as usual. Set the wash cycle to a temperature no higher than 40 degrees and start the machine. What happens next? You'll notice more foam than usual because the plastic bag enhances detergent foaming. Additionally, during the wash cycle, the bag will attract dirt, hair, and lint from your clothes. Once the wash is done, open the machine, take out your laundry, and remove the plastic bag. Your clothes will be cleaner, and your washing machine will be free of lint and hair.
Toss a wet wipe into your dark laundry load. This is a handy trick to solve an annoying issue. Most people have no clue about this hack. Turns out, wet baby wipes have more uses than you might think. They come in handy when you're doing dark laundry. All you need to do is throw 2 damp wet wipes into the washing machine drum and set a regular cycle. Often during the laundry process, some lint and stubborn hairs get stuck on certain clothes. They're particularly noticeable on dark fabrics. The wet wipe trick comes to the rescue. Its fabric attracts and captures lint and hairs. Instead of sticking to your clothes, they end up on the wet wipe. After the laundry is done, simply toss the wipes in the trash. Your black clothes will look good as new, and you won't have to deal with those annoying lint particles.
Throw them into the washing machine and start the wash cycle as usual. Place your laundry in the drum and add 2 hair rollers. Put them between the items in the washing machine drum. Add a detergent capsule and wash the clothes together with the rollers. Give it a try once, and you'll never stop. Since I started doing this, it's become my favorite way to do laundry, especially for dark clothes. Various threads and tiny lint always stick to dark fabrics. Every tiny hair is visible on dark materials. If you have pets, this problem is even bigger. Dog or cat hair is always visible on black clothes. They're on everything. You surely use a lint roller and hair roller to remove hair and fur. However, this often isn't enough. Even after washing, there are still threads, lint, hair, and fur on clothes. But there's a simple solution to this. Hair rollers are perfect for this. They are made of Velcro, which catches everything. They collect hair and fur from clothes very well. Just throw them into the laundry together with the items. Instead of on clothes, all these tiny debris will be on the rollers after washing. When you try this trick with hair rollers, the problem of hair and fur on clothes will disappear. Pour into the washing machine, and you'll get rid of the musty smell, dirt, and mold. A clean washing machine guarantees clean and fresh-smelling laundry. But you don't have to use strong bleach to get rid of mold and odors. Start by cleaning the rubber seal, where dirt and mold tend to accumulate. Use a regular kitchen sponge for this. Most of the dirt will come off with the rough side of the sponge. For the washing machine door, simply spray it with vinegar. Wash it and wipe it with a dry cloth. This will remove residue and water scale. The detergent drawer also needs attention, and the compartment where the drawer goes should be cleaned as well. Vinegar eliminates mold spores and removes scale. In just a moment, that spot will be clean too. Now, take some dishwasher tablets and throw them into the washing machine. Use 3 or even 4 tablets. Toss in a towel or a sheet as well. This will help clean the machine more effectively. Pour an additional 2 liters of water into the machine. You'll need a bit more water to properly clean the drum. Select the special cleaning program if your washing machine has one, or just a regular cycle with the highest temperature. After this wash, you'll see the machine will be cleaner than ever. Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. Believe me, your duvet will fit in the washing machine. You're probably wondering how to wash a large duvet in a washing machine. The process isn't difficult at all. And most importantly, duvets can be machine washed. Let me show you how. Start by laying your duvet flat on the floor, fold it in half along its longer sides, then fold each side toward the center, just like I'm doing. Finally, starting from one end, fold it like an accordion. This method will ensure your duvet fits easily in the washing machine. It's recommended to wash duvets every 6 months, while allergy sufferers should do so every 3 months.